All right, we're at the red EFT trail, which I have probably been on this trail at least 60 times. Never from this end. I always get it from farther down. Usually when I do a Gardner State Forest, I'll go way in, go have some fun. And on the way out of Gardner State Forest, I'll hit that loop, but I'll hit it always from the other end and come out this way. So today, for the first time, we're gonna go the opposite way. So it's gonna be a whole new trail, and if you think I can remember it, how it's gonna be going reverse direction, I'm old. Doesn't happen. So, and we're gonna get Dronie up too and see see if Dronie can stick with me. I can't. I think there's a lot of overhang on this side of it. I'm not sure. Like I said, I can't remember what I had for supper last night. How am I supposed to remember this? So let's get Dronie up and let's do it in reverse and let's try and stay up. Let's go. Hey guys, Zip 2001 from Stay Active. This parking lot in this forest looks awful familiar. Oh, wait a minute. I just left here a little while ago. I was hiking with Mrs. Z out here earlier this morning, but we're not hiking now. We're biking. Yeah, baby. Let's do some double dipping today, man. And guess what? We got a guest appearance today. Look who's coming out to play with us today. Yes, Dronie, our co-rider Dronie. Oh man. Remember what I tell you folks, stay active, keep moving forward, and let's go have some fun. Woo! Do 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 do. Adjust the eyes. Took that one, didn't I? Oh, sure, I didn't, hey, Dronie, why don't you remind me, I didn't zip you back up. Don't need you jumping out, buddy. Oops. All right, it's showing that it's going to be behind me, flat. All right, Dronie. Good luck on this section, Dronie. I don't. Try to remember. Like I said, this is hard because I've never gone this way. I do know there's a little stone wall. They should be coming up right here, yep. All right. All right, remember that. Shoot. Oh, that rock wasn't nice. I want to saddle ahead. How you doing, Dronie? Oh, Dronie. I got bounced around on that Dronie. Sheesh. All right. Let's see. We're gonna take a sharp right here. Usually it's a sharp left. Pedal straight there, Dronie. Usually we're coming down this. Let's see where Dronie's at here. All right, here's the main trail. Whew. Come over here, buddy. Yeah, it wasn't too bad for the first time going that way. I did get bounced a little too much. There's a little section where it's like do like that, and I just got wedged in at the wrong time. But like I said, for the first time doing the opposite direction in all these years, it was a little better than what I thought. Now, we're gonna go do it the regular direction that I do it. Because usually when I come to, this is a Rome conservation area. You go up out of here, you're going to come to an intersection. That's where the Roman conservation area ends. Go to the right, old cart road, brings you into some single track trails off of that, into more Gardner State Forest. take the old cart trails left, and that's going to bring you into Winchton, Massachusetts. The upper cart road is Old County Road, brings you into the old center. The lower cart road will bring you into another part of the town, a little farther this way, but not into the old center. You can connect those two through different trails, but there's two old cart roads that go that way. Or you can go along Route 140 to Raceway. So some real fun single track on the left, halfway up the hill. And that was built a long time ago by the Boy Scouts, and I believe that was built back in the day when they were using 20-inch bikes. So with a 29er, it's even a lot of real tight turns. You ain't never taking a 32 out there. And you're not going to take a 32 on most of the single track out here. Ain't happening. 29 can be tough on some of it, so 32s will never make it out to the single track sections out here. Neither in Hubbardston or a lot of the areas I ride. Ain't happening. So that 32-inch wheel fad is totally different stuff, not for tight single track that I live in. It's something where you have a lot of short stuff like this, where you're really going to pop it going up. That extra weight and rolling resistance ain't happening. All right, enough yakking. Now we're going to turn around and go the other way. I'm going to do a few loops on this anyways. That's all I'm doing is loops on this, round and around today. I said I'm not hitting no vicious climbs. That was a long gradual climb. Nothing that's going to hurt me. I got a belt on to help me right now. It's a little uncomfortable, but deal with it. Kind of restricts my hips a little bit, but is what it is. Woo! Let's go. All right. Let's go, Dronie. There's our sharp left. There's going to be some tight trees here, I think, for Dronie. Kind of a little off on that one, didn't I, Dronie? Yep. There's all kinds of divots here. Good one here, pedal straight. There's a ditch here. Another one here. Another one here. One pedal straight there. tree stump there. Shoot. Web's on my nose here. Oh shoot, I gotta. Oh, Dronie, I didn't set myself up here. Didn't set myself up for that the right way. Guess what? Back out to the main loop. You did good, Dronie, both ways. Cool, buddy. I think you did better than I did, Dronie. You want to take the lead?